Okay, so we're back on, this is what, wait, when is this? Oh, this is the end of January, actually. That's not too bad that we're already in the end of January. At least I can say I'm in February. Essentially, it's February already. Oh, this is the thing, right? Do they double up? Because if they double up, do I do it on the January or do I do it on the February? I think maybe I'll do it on the February. I'll just keep this empty because I don't want to do it twice. So maybe I'll just make that rule. If we have double, then we'll just do it on the second one. So we are in February. Okay, guys, this is the thing with this journal, right? In the beginning, I did this and it was so much things, so cluttered. So I went like, okay, I have to go a little bit minimal. This one's still a little bit cluttered. And then I think I got my groove around here. Then I noticed that, you know what, just use a little bit of stamping, and then this, right? Because I want to use up this. I still have a lot, so I want to use up this one as well. And then probably like just 1 or 2 PET tapes, which is funny because I usually fill everything to the brim, right? But with this layout, it looks very messy. So I think we need to be very, very I need to be very, very minimalistic with this one, but we can do a lot of stamping on this one. So that's the plan of attack. I also need to figure out what to use for my monthly, to be honest. It's so sad and empty. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find a nice thingy from this calendar. This is actually a 2023 one, but because I don't use a lot of them on my spread, so I still have some, so I figured out I can use some of this. So the only thing about this is this one cross over with the next one, which is a bit more colorful. So I wonder how. Oh, number 2 is not that bad. Okay, let's use number 2 here and number 31. This is another thing that throws me off in this journal as well, because they go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I thought it would go like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's a bit, it throws me off a little bit as well. Oh my god, how did I already get some inks on my hand? Somewhere there, and then we can use 31st of Jan. Oh no, I was meant to stamp first. Ay. It's okay. Let's take my trusty sand and what do I want? Where do I want? Who am I? What am I doing? I kind of want to use this. It's cute. Even though I don't really drink coffee, but I love the look of these vintage coffee grinder things. Oh, see? Oh man, I just really, really love stamps that are very, very delicate, and the lines are super thin. And these lines are super thin and nice. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it looks very nice. Very, very nice. It's a little bit hard to peel. Okay. 31st is there, but I'm gonna put it here because it fits better. stamp some more. Use this one much. Ah! Oh my god. My papers nearly just dived into my tea. Let's move it to the side a little bit. Love this girl. Too bad that shows stuff can get a little bit expensive, or else I would have gotten more of her stuff. Okay, the rest I think we can fill on the corners. I think. And I want some on this corner as well. Seriously, like my desk is so messy, you guys. Yeah, that looks so nice with the little cat. Love it. This area needs a little bit of something. Maybe down here. Maybe something tall. What do I have that's a bit tall? Maybe my J&M. So it balances out a little bit. You guys can't see me picking out my stamps. You can just see my hand over the camera. Shoot. I think this is gonna be a bit. Oh, that's not too bad. I thought it was gonna be wonky because it was like because we're only like very small into the book. I should have put something at the back for stamping, but sometimes I get lazy. Okay, now that we think about it, we probably can go like a little bit pinky, maybe. So let's find something that is nice and soft and pink. I remember this. I like this. I want to use some of those. And maybe something from my new... What is this again? This one has really nice pastels. My Yamaduro tape. Oh, that is so cute. Because with this, right, we cannot go. I wonder if I can do this one a bit warm and this one a bit cool. Because this one has a few cool colors. So maybe I can put some cool colors. And then this one I put some pink. So they don't clash. Love, season, softness, hugs, anger, distance, missing. Wait, there's more like cool colored stuff. Where do I want to use? This one kind of works in here, right? I don't know. I think maybe this one is here. Okay, maybe I use this one. And then the other one, I don't know what I want to use in there yet. But this one is also not really my style. because it's a little bit cute. Because I usually do lots of like watercolory, vintagey kind of stuff. So this one is not entirely my style, but you know what? I feel like we need to step out of our comfort zones from time to time. I think I like this one, and then I can put it there. I'm visiting my parents as well, because we have a public holiday on Thursday this week, and then we were encouraged to take Friday off, so I took Friday off to go to my parents. Okay, I think this is okay for now, and then we can start writing. I think, even though I kind of want to add a little bit something more here, but I think that's a bit too much. Oh, actually, maybe you can add these flowers because it's subtle. I feel like this is gonna be a bit more cluttered again. Cluttered again, but you know what? YOLO! I feel like I used to worry about this and that so much on my spreads, like move it. Sometimes when I still edit my thinking of you from like 2023 or slash 2022, I'm like, just put it down already, Marc. You're thinking too much about all these things. But I feel like these days I'm more like YOLO, let's just put it down. Done is better than not done. I usually have this already cut, and then I have used. Maybe this one can get a little bit of. This is so nice and pastel. I wonder what color I should use. You know what? You know what? Now that I have my Lumos pen, it actually has my ink from my ink that's the same as that one, so I'm gonna use this. To see what I got up to. This is the first February one. January. This is this week. It's this week. Okay. Okay, number one. So 29 was another migraine day. And then 30th yesterday was the day I went to cafe journaling. That was really fun. Okay, let's write. I seriously really love this paper when I use my fountain pen. It glides very nicely. We got one spread done so far. And this one, it's not too busy. I think the key is to not fill it with a lot of stuff, because like I told you just then, like when I first started in this journal, it was super like filled. Like it had so much stuff that I kind of like, where do I even look at? So I think now that we've gotten to just using like not a lot of stuff, I think I feel a little bit better in it now.